Okay, so we're going to start out with an easy one. If we're just solving for x, then for the first one, all you have to do is take this angle, okay? It doesn't have this on the worksheet, but the negative 13x plus 3 is that angle right there. And so who can tell me how that relates to the 120? It's the same. Okay. Whoops, didn't mean to do that. An arc and an angle are the same. So those two things are the same. So for number 1, and I think also for number 2, all you have to do is set 120 equal to negative 13x plus 3 and solve. Okay, I'm glad we're just spending a day on this because a lot of this is algebra, and so it's a more or less a review, solving a linear equation. Somebody raise their hand and tell me how you would, first step to solve this. Yes. Okay, good. Remember, when you're solving an equation, always add or subtract before multiplying and dividing. So you got 120 minus 3, which is 117, equals negative 13x. All right, who wants to tell me what to do from there?
Divide 13.
Okay. Make sure you divide by negative 13. It's a positive divide by negative. It's going to give me negative 9, so I'm just going to try to do it on the same paper. X equals negative 9. Okay, again, on the, for the first 6 questions, you do not need to solve for the angle, okay? I understand you could plug it back in, but it's not asking you to do that. Let's do 2 more examples, then I'll let you